Hey there viewers, I'm Sauoff, and today we're diving into 5 delicious and healthy breakfast ideas you need to try. Whether you're rushing out the door or enjoying a slow morning, these recipes are simple, nutritious, and sure to keep you energized. Let's get started. First up, we have a trendy classic with a twist, avocado toast. Start with whole grain bread for fiber, smash a ripe avocado on top, and sprinkle with chili flakes and a dash of lemon juice. But here's the twist, add a poached egg on top and a sprinkle of hemp seeds for extra protein and healthy fats. For extra crunch, you can also top it with thinly sliced radishes and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. This quick, easy, and satisfying breakfast is not just tasty but also packed with nutrients to keep you fueled throughout the morning. Next, let's talk about a protein-packed Greek yogurt parfait. Start with plain Greek yogurt, which is high in protein and probiotics, supporting good digestion and muscle repair. Layer it with a mix of antioxidant-rich berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries for a burst of color and flavor. Add a generous handful of homemade granola for fiber and crunch. To naturally sweeten, drizzle a bit of raw honey or pure maple syrup. For an extra nutritional boost, sprinkle some chia seeds or flax seeds on top. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber makes this parfait not only delicious but also perfect for keeping you satisfied throughout the morning. Plus, it's great for a grab-and-go option. Now for a vibrant green smoothie bowl. Start by blending together a generous handful of fresh spinach, a ripe banana, frozen mango chunks, and a splash of almond milk until you achieve a creamy consistency. For an added nutrient boost, you can toss in a tablespoon of protein powder or a handful of kale. Once smooth, pour it into a bowl and beautifully top it with sliced kiwi, chia seeds, shredded coconut, and a few pomegranate seeds for an extra burst of antioxidants. This nutrient-dense bowl is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, making it a deliciously wholesome way to kickstart your day while keeping you energized and full. Fourth on the list, overnight oats with nut butter bliss. In a jar, combine rolled oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and a spoonful of almond butter. Stir well to ensure the chia seeds are evenly distributed, which helps create a pudding-like consistency. Let the mixture sit overnight in the fridge, allowing the oats to soften and absorb the liquid. In the morning, top with freshly sliced banana, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a handful of crushed nuts for added crunch. You can also drizzle a bit of raw honey or maple syrup for natural sweetness. It's creamy, satisfying, and packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats to keep you full and energized all morning long. Finally, let's make veggie-packed egg muffins. Start by whisking together 6 large eggs in a bowl, then fold in a generous handful of chopped spinach, half cherry tomatoes, and finely diced bell peppers. For extra flavor, consider adding a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder. Lightly grease a muffin tin and evenly distribute the mixture among the cups, filling each about 3/4 full. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes, or until the eggs are fully set and slightly golden on top. These muffins are protein-rich, low-carb, and great for meal prep. You can store them in the fridge for up to 5 days or freeze them for longer-term storage, just reheat and enjoy. And there you have it, 5 healthy and delicious breakfast ideas you need to try. From the creamy avocado toast with its perfect balance of healthy fats to the vibrant, nutrient-packed smoothie bowl, these recipes offer something for every taste and dietary preference. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so why not make it exciting and nourishing? Which one are you most excited to make? Let me know in the comments below and share your own creative breakfast ideas too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more inspiring healthy recipes, meal prep tips, and wellness advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with even more delicious and wholesome ideas to kickstart your day.